How to fix Twitter, something went wrong. Please try again later on iPhone error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here scroll down and find the Twitter application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Next, open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Twitter. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing update here, so I will go ahead and update the app further. Once updated, open the app and see if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, try to delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and tap hold on the Twitter application. You will see the Remove App option. Tap on that and then tap on the Delete App option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on Delete again and then go ahead and open App Store and search for Twitter and reinstall the app again. And once the app is reinstalled, open the app and use the application further. And your Twitter application should be working just fine by now. So, this is how you can fix Twitter. Something went wrong. Please try again later. Problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.